लिलावतीत उपचार घेवन मुखेलमंत्री गोंयांत परतल्या उपरांत मंत्री आमदारांनी तांच्या भलायकेचेर आपली प्रतिक्रिया उक्तायल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Actually, this is the correct answer.
उन्होंने क्या बताया आपको अपनी हेल्थ कंडीशन के बारे में?
Health condition, he is also prepared to have a cabinet on the next Wednesday, coming Wednesday. Yeah.
So is he going back? Is he going back, sir?
No. He will be here
going
only.
to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only he will not meet the public.
Okay.
Yeah, but he will clear all files and all.
Okay. So next cabinet.
All files will go to
next
him.
cabinet
Next cabinet he will. Yeah, scheduled.
Regarding CMLC, first and foremost, we are all happy to have him here. But at the same time, we shouldn't have taken this option since he needs to be totally, taken care of any infection, whatever. Yeah. But he's responding well. Treatment has been this year. All the weight was for love of people, love of Goa, and we are hopeful and praying to God that his health will improve and will be back, as Honorable CM Parrikar like before.
आज एक व्हडली असेंब्ली कर्टन करून 6 दिसां केली। सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी एक आधार दिलो, सगळ्या आमच्या आमदारांनी सपोर्ट केलो म्हणजे पॉसिबल जालें। कारण एखादो एक व्हडलो लिडर अशा परिस्थितींतून वयता जाल्यार प्रत्येकाक आमी सपोर्ट करप तें आमचें कार्य। कदाचित ही पाळी कोणाचें दुसरें।
Most positive thing that has happened in the present circumstances, a very strong signal has emanated that the government is strong, our leader has strong. In fact, he has emerged as a superman. So you don't have to worry about the political situation, about the government functioning, what is to come in the future. Maybe we will miss him for a very little short time, his dynamism, but it will again be there for the asking as soon as he is totally recovers. And he is on the road to recovery, and by being present he has given the strongest signal in that direction.
It's a welcome. I wish him well, but he shouldn't strain himself, because after all, life is more important than anything else. And we need a person like him, who is well educated. And I wish him well. I wished him well before he speaking.
Yeah, but determination, Hanu, I appreciate determination, but Hanu, it's just like a simple ulala. And they are magna, they are very balagi. Jawan they are sargo and kore patarto strong girl.
आम्ही मागलेले देव तो बरं जावचं म्हणून सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे ते प्रश्न तो येयलो त्याने मांडले तो गेलो.
Chief Minister's coming back and the budget is symptomatic of the concern of the government towards the plight of the common people. Chief Minister has shown that in a normal situation, anybody who is suffering such a huge predicament and health issue at the moment would have slept at home. He has decided to come to the house and present a budget which is pro-people.
Gone through his 5 days and could realize the pain he has been into. A person who never understood medical terms. And today when he was in hospital for all his days, I didn't meet him that way, but when he was sitting there, I could find him telling Sudhin that I was poked and I felt that, an emotional thing. And I feel God should not give such things to anybody. But however, it's destiny of God. I really hope that he recovers very fast. That is very important.